Well, you gotta hold it. You gotta get a good stretch going. Sure, that might be something. Perfect. Just hold it. Okay, I'm gonna make a drink. How to make your own Long Island iced tea. First, you start with a glass full of ice. Then, you take how much ever you want of some whiskey, some tequila, some triple sec, some vodka, and some gin. Then you pour it into your mixer cup. You add a little sour mix. That's probably enough. Grab your soda, whichever you want. Add a little of that. That's probably enough. Pour it in your glass, make a little mess. Your own Long Island iced tea.
Hey Nick.
Yeah.
Silly salmon.
What? How to make your own. There's no way I was in that shot. There's no way. How to make your own Long Island iced tea.